When I first started Feastables, I made a ton of mistakes. For example, when you'd grab a bar, that would happen to the box. The chocolate bars were flying off the shelves, and not in a good way. The bar would just shatter into a bunch of little pieces like this because there was no natural break point for it to break away. Which is why I spent over a year working on newer, improved versions of Feastables. If you grab a bar out, notice how the box doesn't tip. On top of that, if for whatever reason they did tip out, the bars are now thicker so they don't shatter, and they have natural break points. Boom. We also did hundreds upon hundreds of taste tests with thousands of people, and the formula just tastes way better than it used to. But even with the new Feastables, there were still issues. For example, if you look at this, it's pretty hard to tell the difference between these two flavors. The further back you are, the harder it is to tell which one is milk chocolate, which one's almond, and a lot of people get our flavors mixed up. On top of that, as you guys know, we do a lot to ethically source our cacao, from paying our farmers a living income reference price, using 100% fair trade certified beans, and we audit and remediate child labor on our farms. And when you look at these boxes, you can't tell we do any of that. Which is why we now have Feastables version 3.0. Version 3.0 of Feastables is gonna start rolling out into stores soon. It's the same great taste you came to love, just now with our ethical sourcing mission on the bar so people actually know what we're trying to do, and a little more color, so from a distance you don't confuse all the flavors together. I've poured thousands of hours, more than you could ever imagine, into perfecting this product, and I really wanna make a change in how chocolate is sourced around the world. I wanna get a lot of kids out of child labor. I really hope you guys try the new Feastables. It tastes amazing.